9 children were killed and 2 others injured as a wall of a dilapidated house collapsed in Madhya Pradesh's Sagar district on Sunday, a senior official said. The tragic accident comes just a day after 6 children died in the state in 2 separate incidents of wall collapse in Rewa and Narsinghpur districts. According to the police, the incident took place at around 9 am in Shahpur village under Sanoda police station limits, where a religious procession had been going on for the past 2 days at a local temple, and the children were present in a tent adjacent to the damaged wall when it collapsed on them. Sub-divisional police officer, SDOP, Raleigh, Prakash Mishra told The Hindu that heavy rains have been lashing the area for the past 2 days, resulting in the collapse of the wall. A Ram Katha procession was going on at the temple for 2 days, and on its sidelines children were taking part in a program to make shivlings out of clay in a nearby tent when the wall fell on them, he said. All the deceased children are aged between 10 and 15 years, Mr. Mishra said, adding that the 2 injured children are now stable and receiving treatment at a local hospital. Shortly after the incident, the administration razed down the old house with a bulldozer to avoid a similar tragedy. Mr. Mishra said that a preliminary investigation is currently on in the matter and that an FIR will be filed soon against those responsible for the incident. District Collector Deepak Arya said the children were sitting under the tent near a temple and the house wall collapsed due to rains. 2 children died on the spot while 7 others succumbed to their injuries on way to hospital or on reaching the medical facility, he said.
घटना दुखद घटना हुई है सर, क्या हुआ सर इसमें?
हाँ देखिए, ये घटना है कि पार्टनर बनाते हुए बच्चे थे जो कि टेंट के नीचे सारे बना रहे थे। ऊपर दीवार गिर गई क्योंकि लगातार बारिश होती है, लगातार बारिश के कारण से जो पास में लगी हुई दीवार वो ढह गई और बच्चे क्योंकि टेंट में थे तो उसके कारण से बच्चे सारे दब गए। हाँ, लगातार जैसे लगभग 8:30 बजे की सुबह की घटना है। जैसे ही सूचना मिली, पुलिस प्रशासन, नगर पालिका की टीम सारी तुरंत एक्टिव हुई और लोगों जनता से भी सहयोग मिला। सभी लोगों ने मिलकर के उसको हटाया। हाँ, उसमें 2 बच्चे उसी मतलब घटना स्थल पर उनकी मृत्यु हो गई। बाकी कुछ बच्चों को ले जाते समय में रास्ते में मौत हो गई। कुछ बच्चे अस्पताल पहुँचने में मृत्यु हुई। लगभग 9 बच्चों की डेथ अभी तक हो चुकी है। टोटल 11 बच्चे थे, बाकी 2 बच्चे वो सुरक्षित हैं और जिला अस्पताल में उनका इलाज चल रहा है।
Sanoda police station in charge Gaurav Gupta said the house belonged to one Ghanshyam Patel and due to its damaged condition, nobody lived in the house. Mr. Gupta said that the mortal remains of the deceased were handed over to their respective families and cremated after the post-mortem examination. About 11 children got trapped under the debris, tent material including a plastic cover of which 9 died, he said. Local BJP MLA from Raleigh Assembly constituency and former state government minister Gopal Bhargava, District Collector Deepak Arya and other senior officials visited the spot to take stock of the relief and rescue works. Chief Minister Mohan Yadav condoled the incident and announced financial assistance to the families of victim children. I am saddened to hear the news of 9 innocent children dying due to the collapse of the wall of a dilapidated house due to heavy rains in Shahpur of Sagar district. I have directed the district administration to provide proper treatment to the injured children. I express my deepest condolences to the families who have lost their innocent children. The families of the deceased children will be given a financial assistance of 4 lakh rupees each by the government, Yadav said in an ex post. Bhargava said, I reached the spot and along with administrative officials, arranged for proper treatment of the injured and got the post-mortem of the deceased children done in the district hospital. I cannot compensate for the irreparable loss that their families have suffered due to the death of innocent children, but my sympathies will always be with them, and I will always be ready to provide any kind of help. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge urged the state government and administration to take steps to avoid such incidents in future. Condoling the deaths in an ex post, Kharge said, Our deepest condolences to the bereaved families and we pray for the speedy recovery of the injured victims. The government and administration are requested to provide immediate compensation and take appropriate steps to prevent such incidents from happening again due to heavy rains and bad weather. Such negligence is unfortunate.